Trey Knowles, everything begins now. Everything begins now. This is my journey. We don't look back, we look forward. What do I look forward to? This question could be a mystery. Why a mystery? Living on earth, it's a mystery, but I look forward to the advent of Christ. This is my hope. Living on earth is a mystery, it's totally impossible to understand. There was a time I thought I understood it, but I didn't. All I saw were images of false idols and false living, learned behavior from television programs, and false perceptions taught to me from the world's point of view. At that point, I thought I understood the world because I became just as it was blind. At that time, I was really born into sin. Who is there to teach me? Who is there to save me? At that point in my life, I became a sleepwalker. What is a sleepwalker? A person walking around that is not consciously aware of their sinful behavior. The direction of misguidance. What am I learning in a school other than learning how to be a taxpayer? As a kid, I knew nothing. Without love there is nothing. I mean the true meaning of love. No one knows anything if not taught the foundation of love. It does not matter if mother and father are present. If mother and father don't know what love is, how can it be taught? If school's not teaching what love is, and the world is teaching that love equals sex, then there is a problem. At that time what was good for me became bad for me. The happiness of the world was lust. Love equals sex. A Hollywood tale of lies. What are we chasing in this world? There got to be more to life than money and sex, which is not love but pleasure. The idols of Hollywood gave me these lies. Age 6, 13, 21, 33. Who is there to save me? Who is there to rescue me? I am lost. I am not dead yet. It is not too late. Is there somebody out there who is willing to show me the truth? God, who became my Father in heaven. Teach me, Lord. I will accept. I will listen. For the Lord disciplines the one he loves and chastises every son whom he receives. God's chastening is, at its core, his treatment of us as his children. For the first time in my life, I am being taught, and loved, guided by something that cannot be replaced once you have it. That is the love of the Lord my God Jesus Christ. He saved me. He saved me from death, with his life, and gave me his character and showed me grace. What do I look forward to? Living for Jesus. Idolizing Jesus. Following Jesus. Everything begins now. This is my journey. We don't look back, we look forward. Sincerely, Trey Knowles.